Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a birth affidavit, a crucial document often needed for official purposes, including employment with organizations like TCS. This legal declaration becomes necessary when your original birth certificate is unavailable, serving as a formal record of your birth details. It provides essential proof of your identity and birth information, ensuring you meet various administrative requirements. We will guide you through each step of creating this important document. To begin, you will need to gather all the essential information and supporting documents. Ensure you have your full name, your exact date of birth, and the precise place where you were born. Additionally, you will need your parents' full names and their addresses at the time of your birth. Collect any available supporting documents, such as your educational certificates, a valid passport, or a voter identification card, as these will help corroborate the facts stated in your affidavit. Next, you will proceed with drafting the actual content of your birth affidavit. This document must be prepared on non-judicial stamp paper, usually of a value like 10 or 20 rupees, depending on local regulations. The affidavit should clearly state your declaration, affirming that all the birth details provided are true and correct to your knowledge. It is also crucial to include statements from 2 reliable witnesses who can attest to your birth facts, along with their full names and identification details. The final crucial step involves getting your birth affidavit officially notarized. Take your drafted document to a notary public, who will verify its contents and your identity. The notary will then affix their official seal and signature, legally validating the affidavit. After notarization, ensure you obtain several certified copies for your personal records. Finally, submit the original, notarized birth affidavit to the requesting authority, whether it is for employment with TCS or any other official purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.